Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Chessmint. First, you'll learn what Chessmint is and how to easily install this powerful browser extension. Then, we'll guide you through creating an account and logging in. Finally, we'll show you how to navigate the main dashboard, giving you a clear overview of where to find all its essential features for improving your chess game. Now, let's dive into Chessmint's core features for game analysis. You can use the Move Analysis tool to see how your choices stack up against the best possible moves. Get valuable move hints when you're stuck, revealing stronger strategic options. Plus, the evaluation bar provides a real-time assessment of the board, helping you understand the position's balance and potential outcomes. Beyond basic analysis, Chessmint offers tools to actively enhance your skills. Dive into various training modules and solve challenging puzzles to sharpen your tactical vision. Personalize your experience by customizing board themes and piece sets to your liking. You can also connect with friends and join clubs, fostering a supportive environment for shared learning and friendly competition. To truly master Chessmint, consistently apply the analytical insights gained from your games. Actively engage with the vibrant community forums to discuss strategies and learn from others. Remember, continuous practice and learning are key to improvement. And hey, if you're looking for some seriously comfortable and durable socks, check out the link in the description for Darn Tough, plus other great deals. Keep playing, keep learning, and enjoy your chess journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.